Measure words in English. Food. A stalk of celery. A stalk of celery. A rib of celery. A rib of celery. A dash of salt. A dash of salt. A slice of pizza. A slice of pizza. A piece of cake. A piece of cake. A cube of ice. A cube of ice. A slice of bread. A slice of bread. A loaf of bread. A loaf of bread. A jar of peanut butter. A jar of peanut butter. A pound of meat. A pound of meat. A dish of spaghetti. A dish of spaghetti. A bowl of cereal. A bowl of cereal. A bowl of rice. A bowl of rice. A bowl of soup. A bowl of soup. A can of cream. A can of cream. A can of meat. A can of meat. A can of tuna. A can of tuna. A carton of ice cream. A carton of ice cream. A carton of orange juice. A carton of orange juice. A cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. A cup of tea. A cup of tea. A bag of flour. A bag of flour. A bag of rice. A bag of rice. A bar of chocolate. A bar of chocolate. A clove of garlic. A clove of garlic. A tablespoon of butter. A tablespoon of butter. A teaspoon of cinnamon. A teaspoon of cinnamon. Liquid. A bottle of Coke. A bottle of Coke. A bottle of milk. A bottle of milk. A bottle of water. A bottle of water. A drop of blood. A drop of blood. A drop of oil. A drop of oil. A drop of water. A drop of water. A glass of beer. A glass of beer. A glass of water. A glass of water. A jug of lemonade. A jug of lemonade. Personal item. A bar of soap. A bar of soap. A bottle or container of shampoo. A bottle or container of shampoo. A bottle of perfume. A bottle of perfume. A roll of toilet paper. A roll of toilet paper. Stationery. A piece of paper. A piece of paper. A pad of paper. A pad of paper. A pair of scissors. A pair of scissors. A tube of glue. A tube of glue. A roll of tape. A roll of tape. A stick or piece of chalk. A stick or piece of chalk. Sewing item. A meter of fabric. A meter of fabric. A spool of thread. A spool of thread. A skein of yarn. A skein of yarn. A ball of cotton. A ball of cotton. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.